Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who got released on bail and now disappeared. Let's see here. Criminal attorney Fremont, out on bail. Fremont, skipped bail. Fremont. Let's see here. My son hit his wife and they arrested him, but he had other previous crimes. We posted bail. Now he apparently left the country. What will happen to him and us about the bail we paid? Well, first let's talk about him. If bail got posted and he left the country, a warrant will be issued on his arraignment date. And I don't know if he's on probation for his other offenses, but there might be a probation violation there. If he tries to come back into the country, they will pick him up right then and there at the border, or if he flies in, he'll be picked up at the airport. It'd be better if he got picked up at the airport. That would be much better, because especially if he flies into the same county where he has his case or cases, it would be a lot more convenient, because you don't want to end up in a different county and then be stuck in that county for a couple of weeks until the county that actually wants you comes to pick you up. So it's better to fly directly into the county where you have your cases. That way your case can be handled a lot quicker. Now, regarding the bail, it depends. Did you post bail directly with the court, or did you go with the bail bondsman? The majority of people will go with the bail bondsman because you only have to put up 10% as opposed to the full amount. Now, if you go to court and you just post the bail directly, well, the court will basically keep your money. They will keep the bail until you turn in your son, or until your son turns himself in, or until he's arrested, at which point you might want to ask the court to exonerate the bail so you can get your money back, in which case, though, the court will want to keep your son in custody. Now, the other thing is, if you posted bail with a bail bonds company, well, you're not just going to lose that 10% that you paid, but because the bonds company lost their 90%, they're going to come after you since you're the surety. So they're going to either sue you, or they're going to tell you, hey, look, we're going to sue you if you don't get your son back here. So it's going to really put you in a bit of a pickle, especially if you put your house up for collateral, because if you did that, you could potentially be facing the sale of your home. So there's definitely a huge downside here, and it would be in your best interest to find your son and get him back there as soon as possible, because otherwise you could be left holding the bag. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court, give us a call at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal attorney Fremont, bail attorney Fremont, skipped bail Fremont.